Alright, so just a quick video this week because I am absolutely snowed under with work and other stuff. I have 2 other videos on the go which will be out in subsequent weeks, but for the minute I just thought I'd make a video this week and share a cool tip with you which I found recently. Just while I was looking around the menu, digging around the menus in DaVinci Resolve, I found an excellent way to add those black cinematic bars to the top of your, to your footage without having to do it like the way a lot of people would do before, which was either to look for PNG black bars on the internet and then put these over the top. You'd have to find the right ones for the resolution that you'd be looking for and ones that were free and didn't look crappy quality or were a weird shade of black. Or you'd have to crop and you'd have to do maths and crop your footage to get it to exactly how you wanted it. Now, if you just go up into the timeline menu at the top there, go to click on timeline, go down to output blanking, and then choose the aspect ratio that you want from there. 1 click and it is done. You're welcome. Until next week, bye bye.